Hey gang, it is Dave with Sell House Columbus, and we're here at our office at another closing. We are buying Chris's house today. Congratulations on the sale of your home.
Thank you.
And we are here with Rick. Mm-hmm. And what was your experience like working with our company in the sale of your home?
I felt like it was a great experience. I mean, the communication was always there. Anytime I had a question, there was always an answer that same day. And everything went pretty smooth, I thought.
Excellent. Mm-hmm. And would you agree?
Yes.
Pretty smooth?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, because when I called, or when it all started, I got that card in the
Got the card in the mail.
And then I thought, because we got another one. And I called that number, they were gone.
Yep.
They must have been another shysters, you know what I mean?
A lot of people out there, they send the cards, they don't even call people back. So did we call you back pretty promptly and whatnot? We came out.
Yeah, I called, and right away, about 10 minutes later, Jonathan was on the phone.
Jonathan's
and I kind
a great
of described to him about the house, you know, and I'd already had a payoff, so he was in between that, you know, and he came out and gave us a price, and then between all that and us waiting, because we had the 30 days to, get ourselves together and get our stuff out so we could do the signing and, release the keys. And, but every time I called Jonathan, he was a trip, let me tell you.
He is a trip.
And then, see, I'm a little different. Everybody's got their own differences, so I was a little different. With Chris, I could handle Jonathan much better that way. But then when I got here to Dave, we were like two bulls in the ring.
Yeah.
There wasn't anything, man, nothing at all. And we were butting heads, and I said, what about that other money? He says, you can just forget about that. But I said, it went smooth. I mean, and the communication was great.
That's the key.
Because Jonathan, you just called, and I don't think I ever waited maybe 20 minutes at that before he was back on, which we talked about the house, we talked about the closing, different normal things that go on at this time.
So, Chris, would you recommend us to somebody if they wanted to sell their house?
Yeah, absolutely.
Excellent. So if you have a house that you want to sell, fast and easy, you can find us at the website below. Or, we're here in Columbus. Just pick up the phone, call us, 614-300-5151. This is Rick. This is Chris. I'm Dave, and we'll see you on the next video.
Bye.